What is going on, Future Focus family? My name is George and I make videos to help you make money investing. And this video right here is going to be part one of a series I'm making where I talk about publicly traded companies that have a correlation with the cryptocurrency market. Today, I'm going to be talking about Galaxy Digital Holdings, ticker symbol BRPHF. Now, Galaxy Digital Holdings is an over-the-counter stock, also known as an OTC or pink sheet stock. What that means is that this company is not on a New York Stock Exchange or the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Instead, this company is traded on a secondary market. Full disclosure, a risk that's associated with over-the-counter stocks is the fact that they don't have to comply or have the same reporting requirements as a company that is on the New York Stock Exchange. A lot of the time, investments in these companies are considered speculative or risky investments. But many times, these over-the-counter companies can be true gems that you can get your hands on before they hit the primary market. If the brokerage you are currently using does not allow you access to the over-the-counter companies, I would recommend TD Ameritrade, which is the company I use for access to the over-the-counter stocks. If you are interested in accessing these over-the-counter stocks, I will leave a referral link in the description below. Go ahead and use that link and you will get $50 when you deposit your first $100. But with all that said, let's get right into it. So like I said, Galaxy Digital Holdings is in the cryptocurrency space and they are in everything crypto. Galaxy Digital, they are a bridge between the crypto and institutional worlds. Galaxy Digital is a diversified financial services and investment management innovator in the digital asset, cryptocurrency, and blockchain technology sector. Their capabilities include asset management, custody, which means like cold storage or warm storage. They have investment banking, mining, so they have miners that work for them, portfolio and tax. They have prime brokerages, which means you can order crypto through them. They have principal investments in the cryptocurrency space, and they also do trading. So a little more substance, they have institutional grade fund offerings across active and passive strategies, industry leading custody solution. They have a full lifecycle financing, strategic advisory, and general corporate services for blockchain and digital asset companies, proprietary mining operations, and bespoke financing for miners. They have portfolio management and tax services, which will be very important going forward once the government and IRS put down legitimate regulations for cryptocurrency investing. They have a prime brokerage with access to liquidity with the best-in-class security, direct investments in early stage and late stage venture, liquid cryptocurrency and digital assets, and special situations. Market-leading sell-side trading desk offering spot and derivative over-the-counter trading, lending, and structured products. Now, these are some of the strategic acquisitions that they've made in order to expand these facets that they're in. They have a proprietary trading firm in Blue Fire Capital that is specializing in market making and two-sided liquidity for digital assets. They purchased Drawbridge Lending, a specialist in digital asset lending, borrowing, and structured products. And they purchased Vision Hill Group, a premier digital asset fund, a funds manager, and investment consultant. Now, another recent announcement was that Galaxy Digital is set to buy BitGo in the crypto sector's first billion-dollar deal. The deal coincides with a surge in interest and nearly year-long rally into the crypto sector, whose market value has surged to $2 trillion. This acquisition will make Galaxy Digital a crypto-focused financial services firm with more than $40 billion in assets under custody. So who's the leader of this company? Well, it's Michael Novogratz. Michael Novogratz is the founder, CEO, and chairman of Galaxy Digital. He was formerly a partner and president of Fortress Investment Group, and prior to that, he spent 11 years at Goldman Sachs, where he was elected partner in 1998, and he finished his career there as a macro investor. Mr. Novogratz served on the New York Federal Reserve's Investment Advisory Committee on Financial Markets from 2012 to 2015. Mr. Novogratz serves as the chairman of the Bail Project and has made criminal justice reform a focus of his family's foundations. He also serves as the chairman of the Hudson River Park Friends and sits on the boards of NYU Langone Medical Center and Princeton Varsity Club, the Jobs Foundation of America, and Artists for Peace and Justice. Mr. Novogratz received an AB in economics from Princeton University and served as a helicopter pilot in the U.S. Army. So as you can see, Michael Novogratz is a highly capable leader that is well experienced. So Galaxy Digital has 5 synergistic business lines, which are trading, asset management, investment banking, mining, and principal investment. They have $1.3 billion in assets under management. They have over 300 institutional trading counterparts with 90 unique crypto assets supported. They have 1,000 plus investments evaluated since 2013, with 80 plus completed investments in crypto, fintech, and payments. So as you can see, they're really digging their heels into the crypto market space, and they're trying to be a one-stop shop for the cryptocurrency space. Here are some of the key highlights for Galaxy Digital Holdings. They have an accelerated industry tailwind, such as macroeconomic and geopolitical conditions. They have an expansive total addressable market that is valued up to 375 billion plus in daily crypto market volumes. They have a strong market position with those 5 companies we talked about. They have a bellwether brand in industry that's been recognized by Forbes, Bloomberg, CNBC, Barron's, and BBC. Their CEO is always being interviewed. They have an exponential growth as their net income grew from 336 million in Q4 of 2020 to 860 million in Q1 of 2021. And they have a world-class management team such as BlackRock, which is huge, Fidelity, and Google. In this slide here, you can see that they're trying to be like the Berkshire Hathaway of the crypto space. As you can see, they have investments in over 80 companies. They have 12 investments just in Q1 of 2021. They have 60 portfolio companies, and they have 125 million return from one portfolio position, just one. Here are some of their past and current investments, such as Fireblocks, Terra, BlockFi, which is getting huge, and 1inch. Here's a deeper look into the BitGo acquisition that we talked about, and it's an industry-leading custody solution. A path to scale prime brokerage is an international beachhead position, adds portfolio management and tax services, and it's an innovative world-class technologist specializing in blockchain infrastructure. The core capabilities of BitGo include custody, prime brokerage, and portfolio and tax. They have an impressive track record with over 400 institutional custody clients, 125 full-time employees, and they're trusted by over 400 clients such as Etherum Classic, Pantera, Bitstamp, BlockFi, etc. Some bullish news: as of June 18th, they secured their position as a liquidity provider for Goldman Sachs Bitcoin futures block trade. The addition of Galaxy as a liquidity provider follows Goldman Sachs' successful execution of its first cryptocurrency trades and formalized setup of the Bitcoin desk last week, 2 months after the US bank announced that it would re-enter the cryptocurrency market amidst growing demand from institutional clients. Goldman's trust in us validates our institutional expertise and the strength of what we're building here at Galaxy, said Damian Vanderwill, their co-president and head of global markets at Digital Galaxy. We are proud to be a strategic partner of Goldman and look forward to working with Max and his team to meet the increasing demand from institutions and pave the way for broader adoption of cryptocurrency as an asset class. So as you can see, Galaxy Digital Holdings is into a lot in the cryptocurrency market, which is a space that I feel is going to grow exponentially within the next 10 years. Pure speculation on my part, but in the future, I could foresee this company being like the Berkshire Hathaway or even Amazon of the cryptocurrency space. Let's take a look at the chart. Here's the 1-year chart for ticker symbol BRPHF. And as you can see, a year ago, they were trading just slightly above $1. And in April of this year, they hit a high of $38. Yesterday, it closed at $15.97, which is just slightly above this $15.14 mark, which has served as a level of support on multiple occasions, as you can see here, and even back here in March. Here's the 3-month chart, and I've included the 52-day moving average in blue and the 20-day moving average in green. As you can see here, on May 27th, the two averages converged and flipped, which is also known as a bearish sign. However, the stock did not react that way. Since then, the stock has been in a consolidation period between the $20 range and the $15 range. In the 1-month chart, you can clearly see the consolidation. Although it is bearish that it closed yesterday underneath both moving averages, I strongly feel that this is because it is waiting to see the next move from Bitcoin. Here's the 3-month chart from Bitcoin. And as you can see, in the last month, it's been in a very similar consolidation pattern. In closing, this company offers 3 of the things that I look for before investing in a company. 1, it has an established leader. Michael Novogratz is well known, well respected, and he served our country, so you got to give him that. Secondly, they add a much needed service. And lastly, they have a total addressable market that in the next 10 years is uncalculable. So all in all, I'm very bullish on this company, but I want to know what you guys think. Is this a company you would consider investing in? Why or why not? Let me know in the comments below. Again, if you currently don't have access to over-the-counter stocks, the link to TD Ameritrade is in the description below. As always, invest in me and press that like button, invest in yourself, and smash that subscribe button. It costs you nothing. Until next time.